Hey everyone, did you know that you can actually make a great passive income by creating high-quality PNG images and selling them on various online platforms? Today, I'm going to show you a quick workflow on how to find high-quality animal assets, remove their backgrounds perfectly, upscale them for professional use, and even batch process multiple images at once to save your time. First, search for your target image on Google. For example, let's type lion JPEG and head over to the Images tab. Look for a clean, high-resolution shot. Once you find the perfect lion image, right-click and save it directly into your Project Assets folder. Make sure it's saved properly in your directory. Here it is. Our raw lion image is ready to be edited. Now open your browser and go to an AI background remover like BGBY. Simply drag and drop your downloaded image, choose the best AI model like Insperinet, and hit Start Processing. Within seconds, it cuts out the background perfectly. Download your new transparent PNG back to your Assets folder. Let's open this transparent PNG in Photoshop to check the edges. By adding a solid color background behind it, you can see the cutout is incredibly clean and sharp. If you need to make quick adjustments, you can open Camera Raw Filter to tweak the exposure, contrast, highlights, and clarity to make the details pop. Next, if your image needs a resolution boost, head over to an AI tool like MG2 Go and select the image upscaler. Upload your transparent line image, choose your scale factor like 4x, and click Upscale Now. Once processed, download the high-res file. Now you have a crystal clear, high-quality asset. But what if you have a whole folder of animals? Doing them one by one takes forever. Go back to BGBY and click on Bulk Removal. Select your entire input folder containing all your animal images, create a new output folder for your PNGs, choose your AI model, and hit Start Processing. The AI will automatically run through every single image, perfectly removing the backgrounds in one go. Check your output folder, and boom, all your assets are perfectly cut out and ready to use.